So in this video, we're going to go ahead and do another example of revolving something around an axis other than the x or y axis. So here we have that R is the region enclosed by the line y equals 4, the y-axis, and the curve y equals 1/2 x to the third. A solid is generated by rotating this region around the line y equals -1. So this is a horizontal axis, so we're doing everything in respect to x. So what is our outer radius? So what's furthest from this horizontal line? The furthest is y equals 4. So our outer radius is going to be 4 minus -1. So I'm just subtracting that -1 because that's going to be our distance from here to here. Because we don't want to go to the x-axis anymore. We want to go ahead and use the radius as the distance from here to there. And then what's the region we're going to take away? So that's going to give us the solid if you take that and rotate it around there. So that's taking this entire amount and just rotating it around, giving you a nice cylinder. But what are we going to take away? We're going to take away this inner region that's been rotated around. So our little radius is going to be the 1/2 x to the third. So that's only that region between here and the x-axis. So we got to take away, once again, we got to take away -1. That same -1. So from there, we're going to be using the integral, and this is in respect to x because it's a horizontal axis. So we're going from 0 to 2. And in case you don't know why we're starting with 0, it's because it's the y-axis. And then they're saying that this curve, they intersect at 2. In case they don't give you the graph, you got to know how to do it as well. And so we'll have the big radius, 4 minus -1 squared, minus our smaller radius, doesn't hurt to clean this up a bit. So it'd be 5 squared minus 1/2x cubed plus 1 squared. Never happy with those brackets. So if you wanted to go ahead and integrate this, you'd want to FOIL this out. Expand and FOIL, combine like terms, do the antiderivative. It's all the same thing over and over again. So I'll leave that to you guys, but that's how you set it up.